Congratulations on completing more than 2/3 of the course. We just finished talking about advanced REST API concerns, and our API is already feature-rich. Now in the upcoming lessons, we're going to make sure that it works by introducing testing. We're also going to document our API, and we're going to deploy it into production. If you are enjoying the course so far, I would appreciate it if you take a moment and share your thoughts and leave a testimonial from the form that's going to be right under this video. Thanks for considering my small ask, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome to the next chapter of the Pragmatic REST APIs course, where we are going to be talking about testing REST APIs. In the upcoming lessons, we're going to cover the most important types of tests that you should be writing when it comes to testing the behavior and functionality of your REST API, and I'm also going to discuss which types of tests aren't worth your time when we are strictly speaking about REST APIs. So here's a rundown of what we are going to cover as part of this chapter. We're going to start with a discussion about unit testing and how to implement them. Then we're going to continue with integration testing and testing external services. One example that we have of this is the GitHub REST API, and I will show you one approach that you could use to test external services like this. Then we're going to continue with functional or end-to-end testing, which is going to look very similar to how we are going to write the integration tests. However, functional tests are more complex and they test a complete flow inside of your application. You will see that we can test some very interesting behavior using this type of test. Lastly, I'm going to show you how we can automate our testing inside of our CI/CD pipelines, and you will see that we're going to run both the unit tests, the integration tests, and the functional tests as part of our CI/CD pipeline running inside of GitHub Actions. So that's it for this quick intro. Let's jump into our next lesson, where I'm going to talk about unit testing and REST APIs.